Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is widely considered the best W11307244 lid lock assembly available on the market. If you're dealing with washer lid issues like a lid that won't lock properly, or error codes such as F2E1, then this product might just be the perfect fix you need. This kit includes the W11307244 washer lid lock assembly along with the W10837741 lid strike. Together, they offer a reliable and durable solution for a range of washing machine models, including popular brands like Maytag, Whirlpool, Kenmore, Amana, Crosley, and more. The lid lock assembly fits various models in the series 110, 200, and 500, making it a versatile replacement part. One of the standout features of this lid lock assembly is the build quality. It's made from high heat-resistant PBT material, which ensures long-lasting durability even under tough conditions. The assembly includes a 3-wire copper plug and a bendable ABS plastic bellows that protects the wire harness better than older versions. This design improvement helps to prevent wear and tear over time, giving you a more reliable locking mechanism. Installation is straightforward and can be done with basic tools like a screwdriver. The process involves removing the old lid lock and strike from the top front panel of your washer and replacing them with the new parts. Many users find online video tutorials helpful for guidance during installation. This simple replacement can save you hundreds of dollars compared to professional repairs or replacing the entire washer. When installed, this lid lock assembly secures the washer lid during wash and spin cycles, preventing the lid from opening unexpectedly and causing interruptions or safety hazards. It also solves common problems such as the lid latch not working, the lid or door failing to open or close properly, and specific washer error codes indicating lid lock faults. It's important to note that this replacement part is not compatible with certain models, like the Maytag MVWX655DW1 and MVWX655DW2, so make sure to check your model number before purchasing. However, it is compatible with a wide range of other models, such as the WTW5000DW1, RTW4516FW2, and VAW3584GW1, among many others listed in the product details. The manufacturer offers a 3-year warranty, which adds a layer of confidence in the quality and durability of this lid lock assembly. If there are any issues with the product or compatibility, support is available via email. In summary, the W11307244 lid lock assembly and lid strike kit is a dependable, high-quality solution for fixing washer lid locking problems across multiple well-known brands and models. With its durable construction, ease of installation, and comprehensive compatibility, it stands out as one of the best options for maintaining or restoring the proper function of your washing machine's lid lock. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest product insights. See you next time.